If you're looking for flexibility in your email marketing platform, you might be wondering which one is better, Moosend or Sendinblue. Both offer solid features, but they each have their strengths and limitations. In this video, I'll break down which platform truly offers more flexibility in terms of tools, ease of use, and integrations. Stick around because at the end, I'll be recommending a better alternative that might just be what you're looking for. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Moosend shines in terms of user interface. It's incredibly simple to set up and navigate. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, making it easy to create professional-looking email campaigns without any coding knowledge. But while it's user-friendly, it does have some limitations when it comes to advanced customization options. If you want to tweak your emails beyond the basics, you might find yourself hitting a wall. On the flip side, Sendinblue offers a more robust set of features, but with that comes a steeper learning curve. Their interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, but if you have experience with email marketing platforms, you'll appreciate the additional options. You can dive deep into segmentation, automation, and workflow customization. But again, that extra flexibility comes at the cost of simplicity. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. Moosend offers more attractive pricing for small to mid-sized businesses. Their plans are competitive, especially if you're just starting out. It's affordable for basic features, and you get a solid value for what you pay. However, once you scale up or need more advanced features, you'll find that Sendinblue offers better flexibility in their pricing, especially since it includes more options like SMS marketing and more granular automation tools. So while Moosend is great for starters, Sendinblue scales better with your business. The third thing to look at is integrations. Moosend does well with the basics, connecting easily to most major apps like Shopify and WooCommerce, which is great if you're running an e-commerce business. However, Sendinblue takes integrations a step further, offering a wider array of third-party connections. They're more suited for a diverse set of business needs, whether you're in e-commerce, have a blog, or a SaaS platform. Now, let's talk about automation. Moosend's automation is decent and can handle the basics, like trigger-based emails and segmentation. But when it comes to more complex workflows, it's not as advanced as Sendinblue's automation system. Sendinblue excels here, offering multi-step workflows, deeper segmentation, and dynamic content features. If you need more customization and control over how your emails behave, Sendinblue stands out. And lastly, deliverability. Both Moosend and Sendinblue have solid reputations when it comes to email deliverability, but Sendinblue edges out Moosend slightly. Sendinblue has a long-standing reputation for optimizing deliverability, particularly with their dedicated IP options and more advanced tracking features. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. Moosend and Sendinblue are both great tools, but after testing them myself, I've found that if you're truly looking for flexibility, especially when it comes to advanced customization, integrations, and automation, Sendinblue is the more comprehensive solution. But if you're looking for a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds, offering advanced features without being too overwhelming, then I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits, so don't miss out on that. Trust me, once you give it a try, you'll see why it's the better choice for your email marketing needs.